In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix domain to Hostinger. Let's dive deep into the process. We'll make sure each step is clear and straightforward so that you can get your domain pointing where it needs to go with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hostinger website. Hostinger is a web hosting service that allows you to manage your websites with ease. Once you're on their homepage, hover over the websites section to find the option to manage your domain. Click on Websites, where you'll select the specific website you want to work on. Once you've picked your site, head over to Hosting, then click Manage. You'll be taken to a dashboard that provides various options for managing your hosting account. On this dashboard, scroll down until you see the section for name servers or DNS zone. It's here that you'll find your Hostinger name servers, which are crucial for making sure your Wix domain gets properly pointed to Hostinger. Go ahead and copy these name servers, you'll need them shortly. Now, a quick tip, if you're using the Hostinger website builder, your name servers might appear custom, like ns1.hostinger.com. Be sure to note down exactly what's listed. Next, head over to Wix. Log into your Wix account using your credentials. Now, once you're logged into your dashboard, find your profile icon, usually at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. In your account settings, click on Domains. Here, you'll find an option to connect a domain you already own. Select this to start the connection process. You will then need to choose pointing via name servers as your connection method. This ensures that your Wix domain points toward Hostinger by using the name servers you copied earlier. Here's where those come into play. Replace Wix's default name servers with your Hostinger name servers. Make sure you input them accurately to avoid any hiccups. Once you've entered the Hostinger name servers, you need patience. DNS propagation isn't instant. It can take between 24 to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, your site might not be entirely accessible, which is perfectly normal. By following all these steps, you've successfully connected your Wix domain to Hostinger. Keep in mind that manual changes to DNS settings require some time to take effect globally. Checking back after the propagation period will confirm your successful setup. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.